So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this particular video I will be sharing with you exactly how you can host your personal portfolio website or any other website for your business or for organization for free on GitHub using GitHub repository. The first and the foremost thing that you need to do in order to host your website is create a repository on the GitHub and push all of your website files to this repository. For the demo purpose, I have created a repository called as PP and I have pushed all of my website files into this particular repository. So we'll be hosting this particular website in this particular video. As you can see in my repository, it consists of three different files: the images, the index.html and the style.css. So we'll be hosting this particular website. So let's get started. As you scroll down, you can see the languages I have used is HTML and CSS to build this particular website. So in order to host your website, you need to go to the settings option that is present on the top right of your GitHub profile. So just click on the settings option, and in the settings option you will see code and automation section, and in the bottommost of the code and automation you will see a pages section. So open the pages section. GitHub Pages is designed to host your personal, organization or project pages from your GitHub repository directly. The first option that you need to check on is sources. So deploy from the branch option should be selected, and by default it will be selected. So do not touch anything on the sources and then go to the branches section. In the branches section, select the main option. I have selected main option because my code is also present in the main option, as you can see over here as well. I'll get back to my settings and then go to the pages option once again, and on the branch section I will be selecting the main option. The next option that you need to select is folders option. Since my files are present in the root directory itself, I will be selecting the root option. So if your main files is present somewhere inside the directory, you need to select that particular folder over here. And once everything is done, I will click on the save option. And now my GitHub Pages sources are saved successfully. I'll get back to my code option and you will see this yellow circle over here, which means that the process is pending and it takes a bit of time to perfectly complete all the processes. Click on the details option and you will see this kind of interface once all of your process is successfully completed. Your build, report build status and deploy all must be perfectly completed in order to host your website successfully. I'll get back to my code section once again and you will see over here the checkbox as success written over here, which means that my website is successfully deployed. Let me get back to the settings option and then to the pages option once again, and you will see this particular link over here, which means that my site is live at that particular link. So I can click on the link or on the visit site button that is present very next to it, and you will see my website live on the internet. So this is the website that I have designed on HTML CSS. As you can see over here, this is successfully hosted on the internet. And in order to unpublish your website, just click on the three dot option that is available in the right section, and you will see your option as unpublished site. And once you click on the unpublished option, your website will be unpublished. So it is as easy as that in order to host your website from your GitHub repository directly. So if you really felt that this video was informative, give me a thumbs up and stay tuned with us by subscribing. Till then, I'll see you next time. Keep hustling. Godspeed.